What's good, everybody? My name is Will and welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim. Today's video is sponsored by All Black. You already know who she is, and if you don't, here's the tea. All Black is the first and largest streaming service dedicated to Black TV and film. They got everything. Independent and feature films, classic and recent network TV shows, rom-coms, dramas, docuseries, stage plays, international films. We love the international girlies. What I personally dig about All Black, if you want to be honest, is that every single thing on the platform is going to be either written by, directed by, created by a person of color, or star or feature people of color. I guess my second favorite thing about it is that it's ad-free and affordable. Girl, give me my money back. I'm out here paying $55,000, $95,000 for all these other streaming platforms. All Black is $4.99 a month, or $50 for the whole year. And if you can't do the math, that's $10 off of an already cheap platform. And not to worry, because you can download All Black on just about any device, your Apple devices, your Android devices,
Amazon Prime Channels, Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, YouTube TV, Cox, Dish, Sling TV, Charter,
and more. There's just so much on the platform, you ain't never gonna get bored, okay? They got 10 to 12 original series that they produce each year. I'm so stoked to watch the Simone Biles story. I admire Simone Biles for so many reasons. Hello, obvious athleticism. But we also share similar backgrounds. We both came from foster care. So, you know, I'm just eager, sis, to figure out more about her life through the Simone Biles story. Also, Tisha Campbell Martin is in it. What? Hey, Tisha girl. We love Tisha. So stream where you're celebrated. All day, all night, try All Black for free for the first 30 days by going to https://allblack.tv/WillOnAWhim. And there you can use the promo code WillOnAWhim. Okay, I gave you all the deets. Shout out to All Black for sponsoring this video. Speaking of that, let's get back into it.
Hey y'all.
Yeah, hey y'all.
What's up? It's me, your boy.
Will not Willie William on Wednesdays, but only to your mother. Now, I almost took out half of my hair trying to flip my hair like that.
No, ma'am.
It's time to do my hair. I am in Mexico City. I have been traveling for 9 days now, and 4 of those days, I was out like a dog. They got me. Roll the dang on TikTok.
I might be going through it, but I'ma get through it. I might be going through it, but I'ma get through it.
Yeah, they got me. I got this thing called Montezuma's Revenge. It is a whole other story. It'll be on, hopefully I'll put it in a vlog on my second YouTube channel, a little bit more. Go ahead and subscribe. But I started filming this video before I got sick, right? And so now that I feel better and I feel revamped, let's go ahead and pick this back up. The girls are asking, how do you do your hair in Mexico City? Like, even just abroad in general, how do you do your hair when there's no products are available? You know what I mean? In America, we have the luxury of a market full of products, right? And then it's also kind of, girl, pain in the bum, a pain in the the bum. How about that? Sometimes when it's just like too many options. But hey, we have enough options for everyone to find something that's going to work for them. So when you're traveling, you oftentimes find that you can't find the products that you are used to, or are you looking like you like what you see? Why don't you come over and check a bag in. You have to check a bag. Obviously, the girlies be getting their hair braided. Like, that's what I feel is the main thing that people do. They just go get their hair braided, get some extensions.
Beyonce.
And they leave them in for however long their vacation is. That's cute for you.
To you.
This girly. But for me, I want to wear my fro out. But obviously, after a few days, your hair gets frizzy. And if you're running around the city like I am, Mexico City, somebody turn the heat down. You start to sweat out that hair, sweat out your edges, sweat out that leave out.
Why would you say that?
Now, some of y'all need to stop playing with them U-part wigs.
Don't laugh. You can't laugh.
I'm kidding. So how do you keep up with that? Let's go ahead and get into that. I'm going to throw it back real quick to when I first started filming this video before I got real sick. Okay, hey y'all. I wasn't gonna make this video, but then I was like, actually, I feel like I have a bunch of gems in my hand and I would just want to give them to you all. I'm traveling right now. I'm in Mexico City. You can't really tell. Actually, it's a parking lot. Yeah, it's a parking lot out there. But I'm in Mexico City. I'm in Polanco right now. I'm actually about to go ahead to a museum. I'm doing a lot of walking and ripping and running, and I'm sweating my wash and go out. It's getting wild. Like, I don't like this. I did my wash and go right before I left the States, and I put a bunch of gel in there, a bunch of leave-in conditioner. And when we're traveling, like, how do we keep up with our natural hair? Because usually products aren't available. How do we take our, like, travel size products with us? Here's just a quick tip. This isn't something that's gonna, like, what's the word? It's ain't sustainable. You need new products at some point. But one way that you can refresh your curls is by literally using water. You want me to put in timeout? I'll be in timeout. I'm so serious when I say all you have to do is use water. Now, it's not the way that most girls be using water, where they just like spritz on their hair and then like fluff it up and it's like back to normal. No, girl. When it's thick, natural hair and you have product in there and it's looking kind of dry like this side, here's what you do. Is you take some lukewarm water, so I'm going to turn on the water. For whatever reason, the water is like hella hot here. And you take just a piece of your hair. So I'm gonna like part out this section. And then you put water on it. I'm using water straight from the sink, sis. You can use bottled water, whatever you feel like you wanna use. At first, you're not gonna feel nothing, right? You're gonna wipe it through. And you're gonna be like, okay. But literally apply the water as if you're applying product. The same motion. And it's important that you use lukewarm water because what you're doing is you're kind of melting the product back into its like original form, and you start to feel it. Like I can feel gel on my hands, and I'm essentially just reapplying the gel that's already on my hands, on my hair. Y'all see that? And so you get another wash and go, you know, for essentially no work. All you gotta do is put the water back in your hair, and you're good to go. And you really have to work it in. You don't want to like just put water on your hair and let it sit on top of your hair because then it's just going to evaporate off. What you want to do is like mix the product up with that water again and then kind of reapply it. I'm telling you, sis, that's how it works. But do you see how my hair is literally, it just looks like a fresh wash and go again? All because of water and the technique. Because I did this once where I put water on my hair and then it just frizzed my hair up. What you need to do is make sure it's lukewarm water and you rework it in. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll show y'all what my hair looks like a little bit later.
This is my real hair. I just got me a nice silk press. Y'all sitting over here just of me because this is my real hair. This is God's work, baby girl. Don't be mad at me. Be mad at God.
I just got back from like a museum and I was walking around and now I feel kind of sick. I've been eating so much cheese. That's not even important to what I'm trying to say. I just want to sit down and lay down, but before I do, I want to show y'all my wash and go, which came out beautifully.
Wow.
Usually I'm like, oh my God, I have to do a whole wash day in order to get like a cute wash and go again. But look at this. The curls are truly fully back. And you know, I could get like 5 more days out of this, so. Okay, so y'all saw that one of the ways that I keep up with my wash and go is literally by adding water, is giving those pancakes, those waffles back in the day. You expect me to throw some water in here and I'm gonna get brownies out of it? No ma'am. But as you can see, with a little bit of technique, you can really do some things. The way you apply the product helps so much. But at some point, you're gonna need to wash that thing out. So this is what I do. I went to Target and I got these travel-sized little things here. I don't like things that come in bottles with little caps like this because it's hard to get product into them. So I went to Target and I got these little situations here, and I just put my wet line extreme gel in here, and I can get 2 or 3 wash and goes out of this much gel. It feels like that's a lie.
She lying.
He's a liar. But no, I'm telling the truth, girl. I'm telling the truth. I found that filled it up to the brim, boom, and it's tight and it's secure and it's safe for travel. I also have my leave-in conditioner here and my hair mask. So this is literally all I need for travel is just these 3 things for my hair. Isn't that ridiculous?
Yeah.
But I also need to like shampoo my hair and stuff like that. For me, shampoo is really easy to find abroad. Everybody uses kind of the same shampoo. I like to use Sulfate shampoo, and Sulfate shampoo, Miss Girl, she get her steps in. She be walking all over the world. She is in every store. She has visited every single country. But I also will take this with me. It's just a cheap, easy Sulfate shampoo. It's from Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine line. I got this a long time ago, but I refill it with a larger shampoo that I have at home. That's also kind of a trick if you just want to buy travel-sized products from, you know, CVS, Target, Walmart. They always have that wall of stuff that's for travelers. It's absolutely cheaper to just buy a large bottle of that thing and maybe buy one of the small ones and then just reuse that bottle. Don't play yourself. Save your money. And also plastic. And I was gonna wash my hair today. This is all I would need, right, for a wash day, which is kind of wild. I have my shampoo, I have my hair mask that will recondition my hair, and then I have my leave-in conditioner and then my gel. I could do braids with that, a wash and go, bun, all kinds of styles, twists, but never mind all that. Now it is the most sacred day, wash day.
What? She's not a Christian!
It's time to just rehydrate. So instead of using these products that I brought with me, all of my favorite products, ones that I know and love, I thought it'd be a good idea to go and see what the girlies got over on the shelves in Mexico City. And that's something you'll have to see in part 2 of this video. Thank you all for hanging out with me. We learned a lot today, right? We learned that all you need is water, H2O, agua for the girlies, Dora, hey girl. To revamp a wash and go, it's not just about the water though, it is also about the technique. In fact, it's mostly about the technique. We also learned that hair products in travel size jars are the move. And also by purchasing or reusing those travel size bottles and jars and just purchasing the larger version of a product that you need, saves you money and plastic. In the next episode, we will be heading out into the streets of Mexico City to search for hair products, and we're gonna put them to the test. But until then, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, my second YouTube channel, WillOnAWhim More, and TikTok. You can follow me everywhere, just don't follow me in real life. Hope to see you back here real soon for another episode of Will on a Whim, but until then, bye.